Lincoln. Hi. Hi, Buzz. You getting ready for bed? Come here. Hi, Buzz. Oh, you like that washcloth, huh? Hi, buddy. The princesses are ready to go outside?
Yep.
How old are you?
3.
3. Show me 3 fingers. 1, 2. Yep. 3. Good girl. Who are your best friends? Who are your best friends? Who are your best buddies? You think Lincoln's got poo-poo? Yeah, I think he does too. He's a little stinky. Little man, you going poo-poos? Lincoln. Lincoln. Look, who's your best buddies? The princesses?
Yep.
You're my best buddy. You're my best friend. Lincoln. Daddy's coming in from a little jump on the trampoline. He looks exhausted. Lincoln sees Daddy coming in. There, he's looking at his daddy. Oh, he's giving Daddy a kiss.